welcome to Acklington railway station. You've seen this previously, the last time I was here was when I saw Flying Scotsman. I was just seeing an old Beetle VW. There's two network rail vans here. I don't know what's happened. I'm putting my hat on in a somewhat weird way. It's going off these tap. It's Acklington Station. What 3 words? Well, okay, it's not good. Because here we are. Not much happens. So we are here. Next train to stop is at 18:35. That's on a thingy. But we are here on a Saturday. And we are near Acklington Prison, so just ignore the gunshots. 18:36 is the next stopping train. I think. Let me check. 7:43, 7:35. You can tell. Not much. It's ghostly quiet. If you can, how well you can see it, but just down there is some network rail engineering going on. I've got 2 due to pass at 12. Yes, some lunchtime train spotting. There is not much here. I don't know which way to go out, but in the car there is some chairs, because, well, do you think I'm really going to get a train here? I would have recorded it if I did. Anyway, yeah. Yeah. I don't know if you can see me. Anyway.
A little bit on the way.
Yeah.
You can get me in.
Yeah.
I'm the end of that one.
Yeah. 1222.
Didn't get me in.
I'll try not to.
I think you got me laughing.
Oh.
But I'll get you.
Yeah. In sense. As you can see. Oh. Okay. I've just noticed this is sort of a red, while the rest is yellow. Look. right now. But you've never noticed that. At Acklington, secrets of the East Coast Main Line. Not as soon I'll do, but probably Jack Marshall will. Well, I am not funny. Oh, anyway, the L14 is a cross-country Voyager service to Penzance. Two to all 005. Fifth unit in the fleet. Eight or 2201. The next one is heading to. Oh, what was it? Just Plymouth. While I wait, I'll give you a little brief on the station. It was opened in 1847 by Newcastle and Berwick Railway. That house there is original, and it's grade 2 listed private house. And about a mile that way is HMP Acklington. What? It's been 2 years since the Queen died, and I still keep on now saying Her Majesty, not his. what am I like? Anyway, now is this cross-country 220 heading to Plymouth. 220-015. Giving it a fair amount of belt. And a 2-ton of wave. Now, you'll see wherever I go next if I do. See you. Gonna try. I think that was 221-015 now. I will check real-time train. Right, I made a mistake. Oops, sorry. The one heading that way was to Aberdeen. The one that you just saw coming was to Inverness. Well, was from Inverness. Heading to London King's Cross. The next one is either. Oh, right. So the next one's a London, I think an LNER to London. No, not Edinburgh. I'm constantly changing the way I'm looking, because there's a Meter 1224 to Edinburgh Waverley with a toot from the driver. And now I have to teleport to the other end of the platform for this cross country, heading to Penzance, I think it was. Yeah, the one you saw was heading to Aberdeen. The next one you'll see is coming from what's it called? Inverness. I think this is the Highland Chieftain. I'm sure one time I actually got it. Heading from sure. So it coming. Sure, I got it once from Newcastle to York. Well, I remember it actually. It was a HSD. I didn't get a recording of it, unfortunately. If I did, I've lost the file. Very sad. How sad. Yeah. Today is the 2nd of November. So the one yesterday, which I recorded, which is coming out on Monday, the 4th, was recorded yesterday, and the one you're seeing now. It's going out the thingy after Remembrance Day. Yeah. Oh, here we go. Heading to this is the service from Inverness, heading to London King's Cross. I think this is the Highland Chieftain. Correct me if I'm wrong. (800-111) to London King's Cross from Aberdeen, with a nice 2-ton wave from the driver. I waved at him back. Well done.